My song Brighter Day was a song I wrote for my koro, Frederick Baker. I never met him, but he was a commanding officer of the 28th Māori Battalion.
Generations come and generations go. The younger look to the ones who walked away before.
He was shot through the face, had a full facial reconstruction. Had to learn how to speak again, and he would apparently say today is a beautiful day over and over again in the mirror to retrain his muscles.
Saw the house burning down right in front of your eyes. When there's nothing left to lose, how do you leave the past behind? You turned it all around, with your feet still on the ground. Don't cry.
You know, today is a beautiful day. That sentiment alone is huge, because what these men would have faced and what they went through in World War II, we can never understand. But I think that's a huge sign of his kind of character.
Come what may, so you're looking for a brighter day. You're looking for a brighter day. Hope you find that brighter day. Oh, sending love in this letter to you, my friend.
I read a letter that Fred had written to his cousin Albert, and it basically speaks of the harrowing things in war that they'd been through together. But one thing he speaks of is the acts of absolute selflessness, sort of restoring his faith in human nature. When I'm singing the song, I'm connecting to that waiata and connecting to him, and that's special to me.
Then a new day comes and I can start to see. When the evening's done, it all comes down to me. Dreams are never lost, and time is all we need. I'm just thinking about the love we leave. So you're looking for a brighter day. Hope you find a brighter day.
With war, I think wisdom and real empathy comes from lived-in experience. And, you know, I don't have that. But I do have, you know, a love and a want to connect.
Sending love in this letter to you, my friend. Hope we find that brighter day. Oh, find that brighter day. Find that brighter day. Oh.
It's definitely it's my letter to Fred, because he's a driving force for me, musically and just as a person. Yeah.